Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a photo overlay on top of a video in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add the video in a main track like this, and after that use the overlay feature to add the photo. So I'm going to, let's say, add a photo in here. Let's play the video first. Okay, I'm going to add a photo in here. Click on the overlay button, add overlay, and then choose the photos that you want to add. For example, I'm going to select this photos right here. Click on add. Now you can put the position of the photo to your liking and adjust the length to be the same with the videos. And in here, I'm going to use mask and choose, for example, this heart shape option. You can adjust the size to your liking, and you can add some feather if you like. Click on a check icon, and that's it. So this will be the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.